Hey amazing people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I trust you all are doing great. So on this video today, I will be showing you how I made this bishop collar. So I made a shirt and the shirt has a bishop collar. So yes, this is the collar. And if this is something that you are interested in, stay with me. Let's get into it, okay? So the first thing, I have my shirt here. I'm going to be taking the round neck circumference, okay, so that I can be able to use it to draft out my collar. And the round neck circumference is 17.5 inches. So I'm going to get my paper and then to start creating the collar. So one thing you need to know, when you're going to be drafting it on your paper, you must fold your paper into two, okay? So this is the paper I'm going to be using. I'm going to draw the straight line so I can use it as a guideline. So now I got 17.5 inches for my round neck circumference. So I'm going to fold my tape into two to find out where the midpoint is. No, not the midpoint. Like I need to divide it into two. So I got 8.75. Okay. So I'm going to mark the 8.75 there. All right. So that 8.75, I still need to divide it again into two to get the midpoint between the 8.75, okay? So if you fold your tape into two, find out how many inches you have and then you're going to mark it there, okay? I got 4.4 inches here. So I'm going to place my tape at this point there and then I'm going to mark the 4.4 inches at this line, this straight line that I drew, okay? I use this straight line for a guideline, okay? So it's not necessary. So from this part there, I'm going to mark 1 inch up, okay, to create that curve. So I will get this line all the way up. Also for guideline, I need a straight line from this side for a guideline. So this is the 1 inch that I mark up, okay. So I'm going to connect it from that 1 inch back to the midpoint here. So once I done this, then the next thing now, I will be taking the height of my collar. The height of my collar is 1.75. In the nearest feature, when I'm going to make another bishop collar, I will be making use of 1 inch, okay? So, but for here, I make use of 1.75. So I will be marking this all the way to the end here, okay? Just watch and see how I did it. So once I'm done from here, I will connect it from there to meet to that corner. Please pay attention to see how I'm placing my cuff rule, okay? This is also another a guideline for you. If you cannot, if you don't have a French cuff ruler like this, you can use your freehand if you know how to use your freehand. So now that I'm done from this part, from this edge here, I need to create this curve, okay? I'm going to use this curve to create it, okay? I'm going to place it this way, just the way you see me doing, okay? And then I'm going to connect it from there to this point. So basically, this is my bishop collar pattern. So the next, I will cut it out, okay? So first, before we cut, I need to label it. The part that is fold is going to be my center back, and this part here is going to be my center front, okay? So now I will now cut it out so that I can transfer this pattern to my collar gum. So this is how it is. This is how my collar is going to be. So this is my collar gum, okay? So this is the collar gum. So I will be cutting out it, and here. So this is it. I have transferred it to my collar gum. So this is what I will be using. So I will place it on my fabric, okay? Make sure you have a fabric that's a bit wider like this, the one I'm holding. So I'm going to iron it on top of this fabric like this. So once I'm done iron it, I will trim off the excess from this part here. So the remaining 0.5 inch, or you can do more than 0.5 inch, just make sure you have some excess from here so that you can fold it in like this way, okay? So I'm going to fold it like this, and then I'm going to iron it. So once I'm done iron, either you can top stitch or you can use hemming gum to iron this part down. I use hemming gum. So after I done iron it like this, I use hemming gum to hold it down instead of stitching. I don't want to have so much thread on the collar, so yes, I just used hemming gum instead stitching. So I will be ironing it like this. So once I'm done ironing it, okay, so this is how it's looking like. I have used a hemming gum on it. Okay, I use hemming gum, and then yeah, so once I'm done with this part here, I will be flipping it like this. Please just watch carefully to see what I'm doing. Okay, I will flip it. That is why I say you should have a fabric that is bigger, so that whatever thing you do, you should have enough space to contain your collar. Okay, so I'm going to go to my sewing machine to join it from this part where you see me touching. Okay, I'm going to join it all the way to this spot. Okay, from this spot here all the way, like, yeah, that is where I'm going to stop stitch. Okay, so yeah, so I have done stop stitch it, as you can see. So the next thing now, I'm going to trim off all this excess. Okay, so watch carefully to see the part where I'm trimming off. I'm going to trim this off. As you can see, it's very close to the edge of my collar, but not too close. So once I'm done, then I'm going to flip it up like this, okay, to the right side, and then I will iron this. So I have done iron it. I give it a very good press. As you can see, it's really looking nice. So I would also trim off this excess again from here, but you are trimming it, leave allowances of 0.5 inch so that you can be able to join it back to your shirt. Okay, don't trim it completely, oh please. Don't trim it completely, so you can join it back to your shirt. So this is my shirt. So I'm going to I'm going to pin it back to my shirt. Okay, so this is my collar now. I'm going to pin it back to my shirt. So if you're a new subscriber and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so now, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified, because the shirt tutorial will be dropping after this collar tutorial. Okay, so this shirt is a tutorial request, and yes, so this is the collar for the shirt. So the shirt tutorial will be out soon. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this video today. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please help me share this video. If you're yet to subscribe, like I said, subscribe so you will not miss out some important things that will be on this channel. So this channel is all about DIY sewing tutorial, most of the time lifestyle. Okay, so yeah, let's get into it. Let's get back to what we are doing. So I'm going to pin it like this. Okay, let me tell you guys something. This fabric was one of the problematic fabric that I have worked with. This fabric stressed me to the extent that when I was done with my collar, the measurement that I took for the collar was bigger than the normal size. So at the end of the day, I end up having some fold from the inside. Okay, so yeah, now I have done pin it. I will go and join it. So this is how it's looking like. Okay, like I said, stay tuned for the shirt tutorial. Have a good day.